is that? A hotel?
Like a hotel.
Kennebec in Broadway. Bed and breakfast. So do they serve breakfast for real or?
Yeah.
The London method. They probably ain't even been to the UK.
Thanks for my allowance, Dad.
You're welcome, Stinkus.
Huh?
I say you're welcome, Stinkus.
What is it?
Yeah, True Nature.
Yeah.
Juice bar. I love it. Mermaids. Got me a mermaid.
2 seconds later.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Just wait a couple minutes.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Wanna go outside?
Just make sure when you hold it, you just hold it right there. Like, make sure it doesn't get.
That's it. Oh, right here. I like this one. Not by the trash.
Oh, there's like a water bottle.
Oh, for the doggos. It's not a huge space, but I'm sure they be doing their motherfucking thing. Running it up.
We can finish the bulk of it in this one.
So, this is what we got.
You guys, this is the, I don't know if you recorded, but this is the berry bowl
Yeah, I was
from
recording.
True Nature.
I believe so. True Nature Berry Bowl, True Nature Caribbean Passion Bowl, Acai Bowl, that is. And I added some chia seeds and maca powder. Where them chia seeds at? Where them chia seeds at? Where them chia seeds at? Where them chia seeds
Do you see it or no?
Yeah.
That's my favorite.
I see them things. I see them things. I need me some honey. Honey.
Should I ask them?
It's probably whatever. And our acai bowls are probably always just gonna be the best now.
You got cheers. Oh wait. Good cheers.
Gotcha. Oh snaps. The jets. Jet lines. Whatever they're called.
I used to always think those were shooting stars.
Don't litter. Long Beach, check it out. Knowledge captivates my mind. I'ma succeed with my brain and not my.
I was gonna cut you off. I'm gonna let you
What?
finish. I was gonna tell the people.
Tell the people.
If you're not eating fruits and vegetables at your big ass age, what are you doing? Because this is fucking money.
They're waking up to a Coke and a cigarette, and that's all. No water. Not even no oatmeal.
I mean, I can't front.
We're going straight to the burger.
I used to be me.
Ew.
The Coke in the morning, unfortunately. I'm being honest.
Delicious.
But now, like, I eat this. There's no living on.
Imagine waking up and being like,
It wasn't that soon. Yeah, I definitely love this place, but mine's way better.
Yeah. I think, yeah, it's just gonna be a struggle. We can sell them in our pop-ups. For Sin Wellness. Time to rock out.
No.
Yeah, I like that. Cool stroller. Thought you said no. I like this situation with the whole. Are you ready, kids? I can't hear you. I'm out of here. No, she's with you.
You said I'm out of there.
She's with you. SpongeBob SquarePants. What you got into my? Now it is. So what? Which one? Which one do about it?
I'll kick you in the ass.
Whoa.
Dude.
Whoa. Oh, nice bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what do you rate it?
I give it a 7.5.
7.5. You got it, dude.
You're okay, yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Oh, okay. Did you get that? You guys see that? She's obsessed with masks. Oh, sorry, Grams. I have to open the door. I was telling them how she's obsessed with masks.
Oh.
Your mask in particular for certain.
Oh, yeah, guys, we didn't litter. That's not ours.
Yeah, that's not ours. I don't know whose that is.
You guys need any man?
Sure.
Yeah, that's it. Long Beach. To the ING. Long Beach. You sure you don't need these, Grandma?
Yeah, I got a bunch of them.
You got a bunch of them?
No,
For
give
real?
me that one. Then you can have these.
Yeah, because I don't want the box. I'm going to
Yeah,
the
let me
box.
take these.
Hey.
How
You
many
the
is that?
mask plug. I don't know. What about a...
Then I go to the sweaty.
Oh, ooh, more masks. Don't give us all of them.
No, but I got a bunch of them.
You got a bunch of them?
Did I get them all the time?
Well, thank you, Grammy.
Give me one. I keep so many.
Grammy, how's your car running?
Oh, it's running good. I finally got it.
Yeah?
Mexican guy over in San Bernardino.
That's good.
It's not running hot or nothing.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
All right, Grandma, love you. I'll see you tomorrow.
I love you guys.
All right, bye.
See you tomorrow.
You guys, this is the day after my birthday. Yeah, I had a really great birthday. Babe got me some new jewelry. We went out to eat. What else we doing? Oh, we went shopping. Yeah. Today is just like our little reset day. Typically, I feel like Sundays would be reset days, but since we do Sunday family day, we have to take time out for ourselves so we can like get the house situated. Yeah, get the house situated, get ourselves situated. Just do everything that we need to do before we go and have fun, you know. But yeah, we're about to go grocery shopping. We're about to go hit up some stores. Oh wow, Grams just blessed us with
Grandma's the mask plug, god damn it.
yeah.
She's serious about them motherfuckers. She wear her
Every day.
24/7 every day. She wear her to sleep, to sleep, no exaggeration.
No
But hey,
exaggeration.
she been doing good, knock on wood, so that motherfucker is effective. We about to go
Yeah.
one thingy thing and get this house right so we can get our bodies right, keep our minds right, and stop and probably get our energy right at 7-Eleven. With a Red Bull, fool.
I said what I have to say. We gonna fuck with y'all later.
Oh, with the ING. Long Beach. Oh, with the ING. Long Beach. Oh, with the ING. Red Bull time. Long Beach. Long Beach. Oh, with the ING. Long Beach. Oh, with the ING. Long Beach. Oh, with the ING. 2 for $5.75. That was fun. Doing well. Did she tell you we got a vlog?
Vlog?
Yeah, a vlog.
This vlog?
Yeah. I'm vlogging right now actually, so you're gonna be on it.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
Jess and Trey.
Jess and Trey. I'm gonna look that up.
No, for sure look it up. Like, comment, and subscribe.
I
Chick.
sure will.
For sure. I don't know. I feel like you should have been one of the first people to know it. You
I was
know.
gonna say happy late birthday.
Thank you, thank you. Her birthday was yesterday and mine was on the freaking 25th. Oh, no, I
Like she
understand.
was pushing us.
Yeah.
I caught her off guard.
Right. Oh yeah, she told me. She told me you seen her somewhere else, like on the street or something, huh? Yeah, you almost got shot. God damn it.
Look it up right now.
Oh yeah, bet. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you later. And TRE, don't spell me with a Y. Long Beach. Our homegirl's in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Babe, I just told her like follow our vlog. She don't even know we got a vlog. You know, and it's like She should have been. I told her she should have been one of the first people to know. For real. But she said she's gonna look it up right now, so we'll probably get a new subscriber in the next minute or so. That worked. So should we get our produce first or what? Yeah. Morning. Loving you. Oh wait, is this front?
Huh?
Is this the front? Oh, we need a basket. Or is there baskets in there?
I don't know.
I'll grab this one, just in case. Produce, my favorite place. Today? All right, now I'm ready. So strawberries, and let's pay close attention to the prices because, you know, I don't know. It makes a difference, but we don't. You be paying more attention than I do, I guess. But do you remember how much the other one? And this is a different brand for sure, because this is
like $7, $8.
Ichiban. This is not that one person. What was it?
Driscoll.
Word. Yeah, some with a B, right?
D.
Oh.
Driscoll.
Is this the only ones they got? Only strawberries? Is that? Those are tomatoes. Okay. Oh, look, babe. Dragon fruit already cut up.
Oh, ew.
I already cut in my tail.
Yeah, I feel like
Maybe they have more over there.
I could be wrong. I feel like they're supposed to be wider than this.
Wider. What's the date on it?
February 4th, today.
But let us see. Let us see. Oh my God. Yeah. What?
That's terrible. Why is this at the front of your produce? Nobody checks these things. I wonder if they have a restroom.
Why? What?
I can hold it for sure.
Oh my God.
What? See,
What? It says organic though. Maybe that's probably why.
The fruit is rotting.
It's definitely a no. What?
The bottom right?
Bottom right. What about it?
Is that one too? Or is that just white?
Yeah. What is that?
It's juice, but it's all separated.
You want to look at it?
Sure. Looks like plasma.
I wonder who's making these. Oh, they are.
Electric lemonade. I think I made the $8.
That's what we would want. Oh my God. Okay. What is that?
It's the stuff sitting. The lemon.
What does it say? What's in there?
Lemon, ginger, blue, magic, algae, water, raw, agave. This.
But look, they're all organic. Everything in here is organic. They don't even have the other. So I think that's a large part of it. Oh, I wanted to see if they also, what kind of mushrooms they have. Oyster mushrooms. I feel like they be talking. I think they mention these a lot, don't they? I do not see the shiitakes. Oh,
Talk about lion's mane.
that's what she mentioned that she did the steak with that I seen earlier. That's it out right there. I don't know why it's green.
Scarier.
Yeah, I don't know why it's green. Yeah, that's no. This lion's mane is really. Do you want to try it?
Sure.
You want to try the lion's mane? Because this, and then like
that
when
was talked about more, but it's so
this
scary. Yeah, on a lot of the vegan pages that I
for real?
Mm-hmm.
No, the steak we seen earlier, and I was so surprised because when she like pulled it back, it really looked like it had a meaty texture.
That's not bad for mushrooms.
California grown.
Probably have to like cook it today though.
You think so?
Yeah.
Why?
Mushrooms go bad fast.
But yeah, okay. We should for sure try this because this is why I say we should come places like this so we can find like the exotic mushrooms and stuff that we usually can't find. I kind of want to get some oyster mushrooms too, but
Which ones are those?
the scary ones. But we could get those. We could get our own this one. But I mean that one looks crazy
This
too.
one actually looks.
What?
It's so soft, feel it.
The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice.
I think some of these things.
Just one? Just one weird dude?
Yeah.
Might have bacteria on it sticking.
Wanna hold the whole thing?
Good job, thinking Winkets. And oh, do you have everything for the pico that you wanna?
Yeah, that's
What else?
onion, tomato. I got that. Yeah.
Where?
In that cart.
Oh, these onions, tomatoes. Yeah. You sure? Nothing else? Oh, limes? Limes or lemons?
Both.
Here's a bag of organic lemons. They look okay. And the limes are big on individuality. Yes, 11.
I was about to get across that.
What?
I want to get this one. You want one of these? Or you want like a pineapple mango
With
one?
ginger, lime, and turmeric. Look at the ingredients. Coconut, pressed ginger root, lime juice pressed. Oh, nice. So this, not no syrup. What did they have any other ones?
They have mango, pineapple. I'm getting Stella's a mango one because I drank his mango one last time.
Just mango. With ginger, lime, and turmeric.
Pineapple, I think the original flavor.
This is mango. I think I want pineapple as long as it doesn't have syrup in it. Look at this. Now this is probably nice and yummy. Wanna try them?
Yeah, I think so. They actually look orange too.
Yeah,
The other
like
ones was looking pale.
yeah, real yellow. You only gonna get one, babe?
Yeah, just to taste it.
Well, I'm gonna get two. Pineapple and
Cause you know I'm like picky with.
yeah, no, yeah, that one honestly might taste a little funny.
I'm just doing it for my gut.
That baby.
Should I get ginger lemon or cayenne plain?
Well, why is it called cayenne? But ginger, you said you want to get it for your gut, so you should probably be more focused on something more directed towards a cleanse, opposed to just like ginger though. Like it's, although that may help you cleanse, it's not necessarily meant.
Let's do it.
Stop trying to throw it out, punk. Daddy gonna close you up.
Don't scare her.
That shit hard than a motherfucker. Hella boo. basket. Bam. Papaya, babe.
Where?
This thing.
This is really good for you.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
You know the thing is orange on the inside? Remember they said when I was like my pregnancy and I was like really low on
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that helps with that.
Let's go for it.
These are mommy's with papers. You want a bag? You want to help with the fruits and vegetables?
Oh God. That sucks.
There you go. There you go. Need help.
Anything else we need, babe, before we leave the produce aisle? Should we get some salad mix or anything? Are we gonna use it? Oh, bananas. Did we get bananas? Oh, you got bananas.
Yeah. I was thinking that, but yeah, are we gonna
Those
get it?
oranges are so nice and orange. That's intense.
Yeah.
I got a bag.
I'm not grabbing milk, babe.
Hmm?
I said I wasn't grabbing milk. Maybe about 3 servings. That's cool.
Alright, babe. Good check. Good check. Yes?
Probably because it's not needed. It's not milk.
Oh, coconut.
Well, it's dairy free, so I don't know. But almond milk needs to be.
My boy Newman making cookies. I wonder what how Yucca feel about this. Oh, damn, Newman.
Not bad.
Man, 0 out of 100. Gaia.
This is what got me pregnant. I think this brand.
Yeah.
Oh, you're fine.
Hmm?
Yeah, when I was taking those pills.
She trapped me, y'all. And I'm so happy she did that.
Oh, look. Lion's made mushroom coffee.
Wow, hold on.
Wake up different. Ooh, I want to try.
Shroomy, functional coffee, wake up different. But it still has coffee in it though. So it's still coffee. Lion's Mane mushroom cognitive
and
support.
it's easy to make.
Mushrooms, double brands, brew as you would pour over. But I guess we are drinking coffee in addition to all the other shit we doing. So maybe it will be a good idea for us to invest in a. But so it feels like a
Powder.
yeah. But how do you know it'd be easy to make?
Brew as you would pour over or drip. I would assume that you just put it in like a little shaker thing and pour over.
Uh huh. I'm down, babe.
Can we start a rewards here?
Yeah, if you just put your phone number in, you're like automatically signed up. And then it will ask you for your phone. Just as long as you put your phone number.